VIO arrested him. Thank you for the outside.
My Naija people don bring Ogbonge Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on a story wey say it just happened. The Lagos State government, through the State Environmental Protection Agency, will be LASEPA, don come dey give warning to worship centers them like church and mosques. Say make dem stay away from anything wey go make them disturb or make noise, wey people dey call noise pollution, especially during this festive period. As dem come talk, say anybody wey say they go make noise, say they go must face consequences. The Nigerian Labour Congress on Thursday, December 14, 2023, don come warn federal government say make dem not listen to the advice of World Bank wey dey talk say make dem increase fuel price to 750 naira per litre. Say because if federal government try increase fuel to that amount, say that one be say kasala go happen for inside Nigeria. The former governor of Anambra State, wey im name be Dr. Chukwuemeka Ezeife, don come kpai. The family come out to come yarn say im kpai for inside the Federal Medical Center wey dey for Abuja yesterday, wey be on Thursday, December 14, 2023. Ezeife be governor of Anambra State from January 1992 to November 1993. The National Youth Service Corps, wey be NYSC, don come out to come yarn say they don't pay any ransom money to kidnappers and before they release the youth corps members wey say they kidnapped for inside Zamfara State. And on Thursday, December 14, 2023, NYSC management come out to release this press conference. Ogbonge accident don come happen around that Mowe bus stop along Lagos Ibadan Expressway on Thursday, December 14, 2023, as plenty people dem don come wunjure well, and this accident happen between one Volkswagen yellow bus and also one Toyota Hiace bus. Family and friends don come dey mourn their brother wey Mila kidnappers dem be kidnap, come later come kpai am after wey the family don pay 5 million naira ransom. As dem come dey talk, say Ekoloba police people dem say dem need to answer questions, say because that checkpoint dey very close to where be say dem kidnap their brother. Supreme Court don insist say Nnamdi Kanu, wey be indigenous people of Biafra leader, must face trial as dem come overturn the appeal court judgement wey talk say make federal government release Nnamdi Kanu because federal government acted irresponsibly, wey be say dem go forcefully go catch Nnamdi Kanu for where im dey for abroad. As Supreme Court don come order the indigenous people of Biafra leader wey be Nnamdi Kanu say make im dey ready say because im go soon come back to court to come face im case again.
If you recall, we had obtained a judgment in 2022 at the High Court in Abia State, awarding him 1 billion. So this indirectly affirms that judgment. And that the manner of bringing him into Nigeria was also wrong. But despite all of that, the Supreme Court found cause to send this case back to the Federal High Court.
One Federal Road Safety Corps official wey be FRS don come out to come talk, say dey very wrong make vehicle inspection officer wey be VIO arrest any driver because of traffic offences like overloading, overspeeding, or driver wey be say dey make call when e dey drive. As im come yarn say VIO no get any right to arrest any driver wey commit all those offences.
But use of phone, overloading, overspeeding, dangerous driving, and what have you, offences like this is not the work of VIO, it's the work of FRS. But their own is the vehicle itself. You have bad lights, you have bad tires, you have this.
Court don sen ten ce one Mr. Stephen Gia to move by anger for inside Niger State. He say because im roast im own mama wey be Mrs. Comfort Gia wey make her take brutalize. And Mrs. Comfort Gia na the former principal of Government Girls Secondary School for inside Saba Wuse. Malaysia Ekoloba police don arrest one Nigerian businessman wey im name be Michael Ezala, say because im chook another Nigerian man wey im name be KC take kpai. Ezala, wey be say im come from Mbano for inside Imo State, invite KC make e come im house for inside Malaysia, and na there e come chook Mr. KC take brutalize on Thursday, December 14, 2023. Before Ekoloba police come there, come arrest am because im sef try come drink poison, but the poison no come work. He no come by wey make Ekoloba police come arrest am take go police station. The Nigerian Security and Civil Defence Corps don come show their new decorated Deputy Commandant General wey be DCG of the NSCDC as Nigerians dem come dey hail the DCG Nathaniel Obonk wey dem dey popularly call my oga at the top on top the interview wey be say dem ask am say wetin be the NSCDC website for on top Channels Television wey make am come talk say na im oga at the top. The Rivers State governor will be sing Fubara live band. They don't come out come they sing one song with the title say day your day, make a day my day. As Nigerians they come they laugh. Say be like say this live band them say they don't tell the FCT minister will be Nyoson Wike. Say making day in day and leave the Rivers State governor will be sing Fubara alone.
And may God bless every one of you.
Nobody worry, nobody worry, nobody oh day, oh day. Ah, day by day. Yeah, day. Nobody worry, nobody.
One wicked accident is not going to happen for inside that Umuaduru Junction along Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway, and one bus with one Toyota Camry. Now they go jam each other. And for inside the Toyota Camry, now some youth coppers a day inside the way all of them come wunjo way. But thank God say nobody poof by as at when we take the yarn this story. The Turkish MP will be Hassan Bitmez, 54 years old, don't come poof by 2 days after we be saying in suffer heart attack. During we be saying in the give speech, he come they talk against Israel because of the Hamas war for inside Gaza. And now for front of the parliament, now they take for take poof by on December 12th. 2023. One popular Brazilian gospel singer wey name be Pedro Henrique, 30 years old, don come for collapse to come poof by during wey be say in dey perform on top stage and in dey perform for one event for inside Feira de Santana. Na then he come get the heart attack on Wednesday, December 13th, 2023. Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.